my name's Jeff. I've been here since the end of season 1, and I keep coming back because I just absolutely love it. It becomes addictive. You get great mates to actually go with and have a good old battle and come away at the end of the day absolutely smiling, yet it doesn't cost you the earth. It's definitely one of the best forms of motor racing out there. I've done all sorts, but this is definitely the best, so join us soon.
So my name's Jonathan Prince. I'm running number 99, little Toyota Levin. I'm pretty new to 2K Cup. I got into it halfway through last season. I got roped into it by my mate Jamie over there. And I tell you what, we haven't looked back. The thing I love about it is you just can't keep spending. And with normal motor racing, you can just keep spending. You know, you can put race brake pads in only, and everything else has to be stock standard. So it's just a fantastic idea. And you'll look at the state of the cars. You know, guys spend a lot of time and a lot of effort, even though they're cheap cars. You know, they're really well looked after machines, and they go real good. Don't mistake entry-level racing to not being competitive, because these guys are fast. They are unbelievably fast and unbelievably competitive. But it is so it makes for really, really tight racing, and I recommend it to anyone. If you're thinking about racing, get into it, because it really is the best way to go.
I'm Michael, and I got into 2K Cup because I heard about a racing series. We get into racing for $2,000 essentially, and been doing it for 5 seasons since, so haven't lost the bug. It's pretty cool. You get out there and get to race plenty of other people, nice clean racing as well, and you don't have to have big budgets.
I got into 2K Cup because I always wanted to go motor racing, and this looked like a really reasonable way to do it. It wasn't going to break the bank. I'll tell you what, the best place to watch motorsport is from the driver's seat. It's so much better than just coming here and watching. And the maintenance on it is not too bad. You know, you go through a few tyres in a season, but they're only a couple $100 or less. And provided there's no contact, there's no real major costs. You just got to get all your gear set up, and then you're away. Yeah, the opportunity came up to put forward our company for sponsorship, sponsor the whole series, and that's been a lot of fun. It's got us some real exposure, and it's really nice to go out there and race the brand. One of the really cool things about it is that you've just got all sorts of people in here. You've got young guys scratching together a few dollars to go racing. You've got older guys like me that are finally got a chance to go racing. They're just a really good bunch of guys that all help each other. Like I said, I'm not mechanical, so being able to get that help when I need it has just been a godsend at times. I didn't know anybody doing it when I joined it, and I was really instantly able to connect with people and make some good friends.